What's up, my PNW ninjas? Welcome back to the channel. So in the last video, I took you to see North Head Lighthouse here in Cape Disappointment State Park on the Washington coast. Now, what's cool about this state park is that it not only has one lighthouse, but it has two lighthouses. So today's video, I'm going to be taking you to see Cape Disappointment Lighthouse. Should be really cool. Now, I got my drone with me, so hoping to get some really nice shots of the lighthouse and the coast. All right, ninjas, if you're ready to see the Washington coast, then let's get going. So just about 50 yards into this trail, we already have a view of the ocean overlooking Waq Ki Beach. No, not that Waq Ki Beach. The Waq Ki Beach in Cape Disappointment State Park. Let's take a look. So on the way to the lighthouse, this trail passes the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center, and it does offer just a spectacular expansive view overlooking the coast and ocean. Let's take a look. All right, ninjas, there you have it. Cape Disappointment Lighthouse. Smash that like button, comment below, and share this video if you know anyone else who wants to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Check out my Instagram, link in the description, where I post some cool pictures of my hikes. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Continue to adventure with me, become a PNW ninja, and I'll catch you on my next adventure. Take care.